Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to unlock the Taiga skin in Snake.io. So let's get started without having to wait much further. First of all, make sure that you open up the Snake.io game on your device and also make sure you are using the latest version of Snake.io application. Once you've made sure of that, from the homepage of Snake.io, go to the bottom center of the screen and click on Edit Snake. Once you do that, this will open up all the Snakes tab, from where you need to scroll and look for the Taiga skin, this one over here, and in order to unlock that, you need to play 80 games in a day. Go ahead and complete the goals and your Taiga skin will be unlocked. You can also unlock it by spending 125 coins. If you do have that, you can simply tap on the green button and get more coins if you don't have one, and you'll be able to unlock the Taiga skin. So that's how you easily do it. If you got the Taiga skin successfully, you can show it in the comments or share a screenshot. We would love hearing your success stories, and if there's any kind of skin or game tutorials you want next, just let me know. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.